Unfortunately, not all of us can afford a true African safari, but if you're in California, the San Diego Wild Animal Park's Roar and Snore is the next best thing. Begin your overnight safari at Kalima Point, where you'll receive your camp assignment and take a photo with one of the park's animal ambassadors. For a luxury camping experience, ask for the park's premium canvas tents, which offer queen beds, electricity, and safari-themed decor. One thing to remember about camping is there's no bellhop to tip. You gotta do it yourself. Wow, this looks great! When you arrive, set up a chair outside the Plains of East Africa, the park's largest field exhibit. It's time to do a little wildlife watching. If you have a zoom lens, I definitely recommend that you bring it. The adult program begins with cocktails and an animal trivia session around the camp circle, followed by an outdoor barbecue dinner of hot dogs, grilled chicken, or veggie burgers on the red cloth picnic tables. The evening includes 2 optional walks through the park, which I totally recommend. After enjoying s'mores around the campfire, we were off again, this time for a night excursion searching for the park's nocturnal animals. At 10 p.m., it's lights out at camp, and the animal symphony begins. Chirping crickets keep the beat as an Argus pheasant sings a happy tune. Well, it was a great night sleeping with the animals, and now it's time for our morning walk. After a nice helping of hot coffee, pancakes, and eggs, we begin our sunrise tour through the park. During the hike, we get a closer look at some of the park's star residents, from an adorable baby elephant named Ngatsi to a hungry lion named Izu. My favorite stop was the animal nursery, where a trio of baby cheetahs waited for their morning milk. Next time you're searching for a place to stay in San Diego, consider this unique and unforgettable overnight safari. I had a blast, and I know you will too. For more California travel videos, tips, and advice, log on to CaliforniaTravelExpert.com.